Okay, so this morning we're going to be practicing writing our names. My girls just turned 4 years old, and they do know how to write some letters, but we haven't really practiced a lot on writing their names. So I just thought I would show you some tips that I've learned and found on the internet. So I just printed these out, and I have twin girls, and one's name is Presley and the other is Fallon. So this is the website that I just used. And it's called Handwriting Practice.
And look.
Hold on. Fallon wants to show y'all something. What is that?
My dishes. And look at the back. It has my name.
Yeah. So we're going to practice writing your name.
Yeah.
And if you go to this website, it's called handwritingpractice.net/handwriting. You can pick different ways of letter style, so dots or outline, and there's different layouts too. I chose to do a portrait, but you can choose landscape if you'd like.
Or here, Mama.
You can change the letter style or the size of the letters, but since my girls are just learning to write their names, I'm going to make it super big. And this right here is where you can change their name or whatever you would like.
And this is what our house looks like.
F. How do you spell your name, Fallon?
F-A-L-L-O-N.
Good job. So you can see here, I'm going to switch it back to portrait. You can see here that it shows you what it's going to look like when you print it out.
I want it just like that.
You want it just like that? Okay. And you can see here that you can also include the arrows. I wonder if I should do that. I think I might include this with the first couple sheets. And then you've got just the letters, the start dots once they get a little bit more familiar. And then there's the blank line and no row. So we're going to do there we go. So this is the one that I'm going to print out for Fallon. Okay, you ready? You going to be my little helper?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click print.
How did you do that?
All right, can you show us what it looks like?
It looks like this.
Okay, hold it still for mommy. Oh, other way. It's upside down. There we go. All right, so the top we have the arrows to help show you which way to start. And then the bottom three don't have the arrows. Oh, and one more thing, if you'd like to kind of get your bang for the buck, I printed on both sides. So you can turn it over and print on the other side. And so now I have six different sheets here. So All right, so I hope this tip helps y'all if you're practicing writing. And it doesn't have to be their name. It could be anything that you're practicing with your little ones. So if you liked this little tip for today for handwriting, please give me a thumbs up below. If you'd like to see some more tips like this, leave something in the comments below. I'd love to make this a little series of just some tips throughout the year, throughout the fall. So I plan on making a lot of back to school videos throughout the next couple months. If you have any ideas or anything you'd like to see me do, leave me a comment down below and I'd love to take a look at those. I love getting reactions from you guys, and let me know if this helped you, if you learned anything new. Or
Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Bye!